guys, welcome back. So I started off the eye portion using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I used that dark purple shade in the crease area. So I'm just going to apply it in the outer crease and drag it into the inner portion, and I used the Morphe M506 brush.
Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're...
And then I used that pink shade from the same palette, and I packed that on above the purple eyeshadow, and I used the Morphe E36 brush. So I'm just going to pat that on, and then I blended both shades together using the Morphe E17 brush. Then I went ahead back with that purple shade, and I added just a little bit more. Then I went ahead with Ife from the Magic palette by juvia'a, and I applied that in the deeper crease area using the Morphe E18 brush. And then I'm just going to blend back all three shades together to diffuse all of them.
Compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my...
And I went ahead and proceeded to cut in the crease area. So I'm just going to do a half cut crease, and I used the the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tan. Then I went in back with Ife, and I applied that in the outer layer. So I'm just going to drag it just a little bit into the crease. Then I went in back with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I used that lighter purple shade and apply it beside where I applied Ife, and I'm going to blend the two shades together. And then I went in with the turquoise blue shade, and I'm going to apply that on the eyelids. And also I'm just going to use the yellow eyeshadow from that same palette, and I'm going to apply it beside the blue shade, and I'm just going to diffuse all of the shades together to get that diffused blend.
When I'm up through the night.
Then for the face portion, I used the Sasha Mattifier face primer to prime my face, and for foundation I mixed the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC50 and the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the shade Deep Golden. And for concealer, I used the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn and Chestnut to conceal my under eyes, the nose of my bridge, the chin area, and my forehead, and I used the beauty blender to blend it. And to contour my nose, I used the LA Girl concealer in the shade Mahogany. for powder, I use the Sasha buttercup powder. And for the face powder, I use the HD Flawless powder in the shade Cognac, and and for contour, I use the Black Radiance contour palette in the shade Deep Dark. And for the under eye area, I use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette used in the blue shade and the last purple shade. And this is the final look, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
White lies forever.